Hey everybody, Joe here. Gonna check out a puzzle today called CALLERLAB 50th by Jeremy Butler. Normal Sudoku rules apply. That's every row, column, and 3x3 box is 1 to 9. The color squares are all odd digits. Greater than and less than signs indicate one digit is higher or lower than the one next to it. And each letter corresponds to a number and must be resolved. Okay. So, the first thing to note is just that there can only be 5 odds in any row, column, or 3x3 box. Then there will be 4 evens. So, these 8 are going to be even for sure. And the 4 must go up here. And the 4 must go down here somewhere. The 7 and 9 will go down here and up here. I think that's all I got there at the moment. 5 goes here. 5 goes in one of these. We only have 4 on that one at the moment. Same there. But what else can we do with that? We have our 5 in this row. These are all even. And this has to be a 6 or an 8. I think that's all I got there at the moment. Oh, this one also has 5 odds in that row. Those are all even, therefore. This one is even. It has 5 now in the box. 5 odds. There's going to be 2 evens. There's going to be 2 odds up here. That's 4 in the column. This has to be even, which is going to give us the 4 evens there, so this is odd. We could have also told that by the 3x3 box though. This cannot be 1, as it has to be greater than that number, which is even. L is odd. So those two are odd. That gives us our 5 odds there. Those are all even. And these two are odd. They're also 3 and 5, making a pair. This is 2, 6, 8, but 2 doesn't go at the bottom. There's 4 odds here. This has now, well, all I can really say is that there's going to be 1 even there, but I know that much from the 3x3 box, don't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. What about C? C could still be odd. Could very well be even as well, though. This has 4. Oh, these 3 even are gonna be these 3 even. Right? So, these 3 even have to be these 3 even, so they're also gonna be here. And then this loose even, well, that's just 1 odd, 1 even. But we know that the even goes down here, so that's going to be the 4. So all 3 of these up here will be odd, therefore. And I'm also wanting to say, yeah, whatever the other odd is here is going to be in this box. So these 3, and these 3 are all the same as well. But does that help me? Maybe not. But I do have 5 in this row now, so those 2 are even. These are not 7, 9 now, because that would be defying the even oddness of it all. So these are our oddities. Now we have the 5 in this row. Those 2 are even. This is no longer 5. This one is now odd. We've had our 4 evens in that column. These are all odd. And since C is going to be odd, I'll go ahead and mark that one as well. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gave us our 5 in this column. So those are even. And there's an even there to finish out the 3x3 box. And this one has 5 odds in its row now. One, two, three. Okay, I'm not quite sure on those yet, I don't think. Okay, So, now what do we do? If this was 6, it would be 4, 2, 8 would be here. This would have to be 9. That's okay. Oh, 4 cannot go there now, so it is being pushed there. Why do I have it? Yeah. B. It's the only B in there. This cannot be 9. The 2 has to go in here. And also up here. The middle one cannot be a 2. Because then this would have to be a 1. And there's already a 1 in that box. So this cannot be a 9, this cannot be a 9. Oh no, that one can be. Okay. One of these have to be a 4. 4 must go in the middle. Cannot go there because two even numbers couldn't be less than it. This cannot be a... Oh, I already got that. Just gonna say it cannot be a 2. This cannot be an 8. Oh. Oh, yes, it could be an 8. That could be a 9. Whatever number this is goes to the top. And in the middle. That's okay. Oh, the C also goes in here somewhere. Maybe I just mark it a C? Why not? I don't know if I like that. L. Yeah, maybe I will have to. L is 3 or 5. Is that right? L could be 7. Oh no, it could not, because those are 3 evens. So L is 3 or 5. And it can't be 5 because 5 goes here. So L is 3. Okay, that's nice. Four has to go up top here, and one of those two, and at the bottom, and one of those two. The only other letter that has several is A, I think. Oh, and C, I guess. I don't think I'll get any help from them, though, at the moment. What about A? A is odd, but it can still be anything but 3. So C just cannot be 9. Could be 1 though. This could be whatever. This is a 6 or an 8. Oh, 8 cannot go here. This would have to be a 9. So 8 goes in this column. And goes in one of these two. Five cannot go here, or else it would have to go down here, and there's already a 5 in that row. So 5 goes only right there, and then must go in these, and that's going to give us a triple here for this, where'd my mouse go? For this column as well. So these three are 5, 7, 9. This is going to be a single 1. This is going to be a 5. That's R. I don't have any more R's, so no help there. Oh, that's a little bit hard to see. 5 we already knew was up there. This is going to be a 1, 3 combo wombo. What do we have? Where? Okay, this one or this one is a 3. 3, 7, 9. So what's left in this column? This is from 4, 6, 8. Where is the other even here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Long story short, I don't know. Oh, a 3 goes in here, doesn't it? And here. Whoop. Here. And the 7 has to go there. And up here somewhere. Can 7 be C? It would go there, and there, 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 there. It most certainly can. Seven could be C. This is now a 1-9. Yes, which is a combo wombo, which takes the 1 out from here. It gives us a 3. 3 now goes down here. Oops, it does not go there. The 3 is the 3 a C. The 3 is not the C, because it would make it go down here. There's already a 3 on that row. So, the 3 is not the C, this is the C, so I'll leave that mark. The 3 must go over here somewhere. The A must go over here somewhere as well. And it is 5, 7, or 9. The A goes over here in one of those two as well. And one of these two. Oh wait. Unless 5 is the A. And there's also going to be another one. It could be there. So I'll wait on thinking about the A, I believe. Anywho, this 3 shows us that this has to be a 2. Which means the 2 is going to be up here. Which means it is not here. Which means this is the 2. Which means this can no longer be the 6, because then it would have to be 4, 2. So it must be the 8, 6, 4. The 8 must now go in one of these, and this will be a 6, 8. And the 6 will go in one of these. If this was a 6, this would be an 8. I reckon that's fine. One, 3, 5, 6. This is only a 9. 9 is not C. C is here. For One of these are 9. 9 goes down here. C was able to be 7. Was C able to be 5? C is not able to be 5. Because it would break this box here. So 5 goes over here with these. Oh, wait. 5 could still go. I don't know where that last odd is here. 5 could go in one of those. So I cannot do that. Cannot do that yet. Okay. Two, 4 make a combo wombo up there. Because these two are looking up. So those are the only 2 options left. Takes the 2 out of there. Puts it there. It also takes the 4 out of here. But it also puts the 2 in one of these 2 spots. Which is looking pretty likely there, isn't it? But not necessarily. The 4 could go here still. Or here. A is only 5, 7, 9. I'll go ahead and mark that. C could not be 5. What else could it not be? I don't think it could have been the 3. Just recheck that. Right. So C cannot be 3. Cannot be 5. Cannot be 9. It can be 7. Or 1, I think. Let me just see if it can be 1. 1 would go in one of those. 1 would go here, here. Would go in one of these. There. I think 1 might be okay as well. But it is only 1 or 7. These are 1, 3, 7 though. Whoops, not 3. 5. I'll take that. I'll take that C out maybe. Whoops. Like that. So that is 1, 5, 7. So that means 5. Oh, no. So I don't know where it goes here. It does go in one of these boxes. Oh, 5 goes at the top of these, look. Since it's at the top 2 rows of both these boxes, it goes in the bottom row here, and that one's already got a 3, so it must go here. This is no longer 5, that's no longer 5. Now 5 does for sure go here, in one of those, and this is going to be a triple. Is it going to be a triple? Yes. Because 9 didn't have the choice to be in the middle. What about 1 though? Oh, no. 3, 5, 9. None of them can go there. None of them can go here. So this is a 3, 5, 9. This is not a 5. This is a 5. Because that made a 1, 7 combo. Therefore, this is the 9. And these will be a 1, 7. Oh, this cannot. Oh, no, no. JK. What else do we have? Where is 9? Don't know. 7 has to go in one of the middle columns there, and the right column there. this is only a 6 or an 8. Same here. I don't know if I like those marks though, because they're in kind of incomplete boxes. One could still be 7, or I mean C could still be 1 is what I meant. I'm gonna check if C could be 7. Still. Appears that we could. What other numbers do I... Oh, I have A. I have my friend A there telling me this is a 9. Right. This bottom one is now a 7. I think that's going to resolve quite a lot. This has to be a 9. 1, 2, 5, 7. Yeah, C's the rest. The 1 must go in this column. Therefore, it must go in this column. And that forms a pair with the 5 up there. Solving those. 9 must go in the middle. That gives that a complete fill on the middle row as well, middle column. This is a 6 or an 8. One, two, three. I mean, there could still be so many. 4, 6, and 8. All of them still left. If this was 6. This can't be 6 now either. Because if it was, this would have to be 8, and then this box here would have no fill. So this can only be 2 or 4, but 4 is stuck in the middle. So this can only be 2. Like that. Now this could still be 4, 6, or 8. This whole box is full of 4, 6, 8. But 6 goes in the middle now, giving us that fill. The 6 now goes over here, giving us that combo. This may very well end up being a color the 6-8 exercise. What now? What goes there or there? Well, why not? This was 4, that would have to be 2. That is okay still. Five is greater than 4, 3. This is only a 1 or a 2, which makes this the 8. Now we have our colors sorted finally. Is that gonna do the puzzle actually? This is gonna be a 1 then, which makes C the 7. Six eight's gonna give us a combo in this row, making that the 4. Same thing with that row. There's a combo in the first and third box. Same here with this one. This is gonna be a 6-8. Tons of 6-8s. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Maybe we do a... Oh, is it gonna be letters? CALLERLAB. Let's see. I think all the letters are done. But this one will be... Whoops. Yeah, will be there. And there. This one will be there. There. This one will be light. Light. Oh, I don't even know if I need to do that. 7 is less than 8, isn't it? Yeah, nice. That's already it. Cool, nice little puzzle. CALLERLAB 50th by Jeremy Butler. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you're in the mood for it. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.